Doc Martin.
Doc Martin, will you please lead us to prayer?
Maraming makapangyarihan, maraming salamat po. Kami ay muling mag-ipon upang pag-usapan ang mga bagay na makakabuti para sa aming lungsod at sa mamamayang aming pinaglilingkuran. Hiling po namin sa inyo ang mubay, karunungan, at pagkakaisa sa bawat desisyon aming gagawin. Naway manaig ang katapatan, malasakit at tunay na hangarin para sa kanan ng lahat. Pagpalain niyo po si Mayor at si Vice Mayor at ang lahat ng department head sa bawat kawani ng lungsod, pamahalaan ng Maynila upang mapagpanampo namin ng maayos at buong puso ang aming pagpuli. Ito po ay aming dalangin sa ating Panginoon. Amen.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Okay, before we continue with our agenda, I'd like to be updated on the directives of the city government. The directive of the city government to inspect all our school. What happened, Engineer Andres and Director Arnel Angeles? How are we doing?
Ano namin is submission nila is Wednesday, 17.
Wednesday.
Gawin sila ng inspection po.
Okay, let that copy be furnished to Chief of Staff and the City Administrator. Kung may kinakailangang i-company or something. But you make sure that, although there is no guarantee, but make sure that this building must be fit for its purpose.
Tapos po, i-direct ulit namin sa MSA yung katuparan village and punta namin.
Oo. Kasi condemn na yung building kaya property ng NXA yun. You have to coordinate with them. Kawawa naman yung mga tao dun. Baka mamaya may mangyaring aberya. So anyway, ano pa rin tayo medyo andap tayo na that the big one may happen in Metro Manila. It is about how many we can save. Casualty is there. It is inevitable. Who? I don't know. Only God knows. But if we can minimize the possibility of such, then let's prepare ourselves. Lagi lang tayong at the back of our mind, yun ang nasa isip natin. How are we doing with the Madam Gayola? I directed during the MDRRMO meeting and we passed a resolution to require all 100 plus schools, including PLM and UDM, to conduct a monthly drill or CMEX. Please be guided accordingly and extend our regards to the principal, and I hope that doing so, it will create muscle memories for our students. That this thing may happen in the middle of the class, or maybe during the flag ceremony, or sa makisuyo lamang na ma-practice natin yung mga estudyante natin. Okay? Sige, now let's go now to item number 1. Ba't parang uminit?